Hello friends, in this video I will be telling you that how to evaluate the dot products of two vectors using arrays in C programming. So before that, what is a dot product? So if you have this vector A pointing in this direction, and if you have this vector B which is let's take another direction which is not normal. So if you have another vector B which is pointing in this direction, then the contribution of this vector B in the direction of this vector is what we call as the dot product. So if this contribution, if this is theta, then this contribution is cos theta, and if you multiply this contribution by the magnitude of the vector in whose direction we have projected this, so that is called as the dot product. So this is always going to be a scalar quantity. That means it will only be having magnitude, no direction. So the dot product of two vectors is a scalar. Now all you know is that we can what we can write a vector in terms of its components. That is a0i plus a1j plus a2k. Likewise, we can write the components of vector B as b0i plus b1j plus b2k. So therefore, in the component form, the dot product is normally written as ai bi. And remember, whenever two indexes are repeating, so that means we are summing up over that index. So this is nothing but sum, or you can also write sigma I is equal to 0 to 2 ai bi. That is what the fundamental meaning of dot product as well as the mathematical explanation. So in terms of programming, how to do that? It is very simple. Just look the indexes. And you know that dot product is going to be a scalar quantity. So let's say it is simply dot. So that is ai, that is ith element of A multiplied by the ith element of B. And then you are doing what? You are summing it up. So sigma I is varying from 1 to 0 to 2. How to do this? You all know how to do sum now. So you can do what? You can take a variable dot, assign 0 to it, then you simply say dot is equal to dot plus ai times bi. That's it, and run the loop which is varying from 0 to 2. That's it. So let us write the code for it. So let us take the same vectors which we have taken for addition and subtraction, and let us define another variable as dot for the dot product. And so as we are printing only the dot product, and that is going to be a scalar, so we don't require this anymore. Now what we said initialize this dot with a value of 0, and then dot is equal to dot plus ai times bi. That's it. Done. Simply printf the dot of a and b is equal to percentage d, as initially we have taken it as integer. So this, and then here you will be printing dot. That's it. Run it. So what is the problem? Okay, assignment. So dot is equal to 0. That means assigning dot to 0. So it is 24. If you wanted to know that how after every time step this is changing, so you print this dot inside and then write new line. Then in the first step it is 2. Why? Because 2 plus 2 times 1 is 2. In the next step, that is I equals to 1, it is 2, this 2 plus 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18 and so on. So friends, in this way you can use dot product or you can evaluate dot product. Now I'll tell you the most general way, that means the way we write normally in mathematics. You know, dot product A dot B is normally written as del ij ai bj, where this del ij is called as chronicle delta, and this is having value 1 when I is j is equal to j and 0 when I is not equal to j. So this definition will simply boils down to the one which we have written above, this. Okay, because when I becomes equal to j, then only this del ij is going to be 1, otherwise 0. So in this video, till this point only, in the next video, we will be learning that how to evaluate cross product of two vectors. Thank you very much for watching.